So we cover an incredible distance scale. If you stay through the whole second semester in PCHEM 2, we get into thermodynamics, and we talk about energy scales in the terms of 10 to the 18 joules. So world energy use is around 425 exajoules in energy. So you've heard of mega and tera and all these different large, megabytes and gigabytes and so on. When we get up to exajoules, that's 10 to the 18 joules. So that's sort of the energy scale of the whole globe. We get into the micron scale. The smallest visible particle with good vision would be around 100 microns. And then we get into the quantum realm around the nanometer range. So 10 to the minus 9 meters, roughly the diameter of a buckyball, the little soccer ball of carbon. And then the bond length of a hydrogen would be an angstrom. So we deal with angstroms a lot. Those are our bond length units, 10 to the minus 10 meters. And then the smallest energy, essentially in terms of a chemical bond, would be a single hydrogen bond at 10 to the minus 21 joules. That's a zeptajoule. Okay, so they have these prefixes for every 3 powers of 10. So we are covering, think about the range from minus 10 to the minus 21 joules all the way up to 10 to the 18 joules. So this course covers an enormous amount of energy in terms of, 21, 30, 39 orders of magnitude in terms of energy.